This is 582 Hammond Street. We're going to look at apartment number 1. There's a convenience store right across the street. This is 13th Street, right over here. A lot of businesses. There's a sandwich shop down the street. This does come with a parking spot with an extra $50 a month. It's actually right over there in the corner. So apartment number 1, it's a first floor apartment, is a 1-bedroom. So this was renovated fairly recently. New flooring, new kitchen, new bathroom. This is the living room. Our current tenant doesn't have a whole lot of furniture here. She's in the process of moving out as well. This is right on the bus route as well, so it's great for somebody who doesn't have a car, but again, it does come with a parking space. So this is a probably a medium-sized bedroom. She has a twin-size bed. There's a closet, also room here for probably a dresser, bureau. Also a little bit of room over here under the window. Living room is actually a pretty decent size. There's also a closet over here. Which would typically be a coat closet or broom closet or both. This is the kitchen. This is a good sized kitchen. Typically be an eat-in kitchen. There's room for table and chairs over here. New cupboards, countertop, has a flat top stove, and this door here is access to the basement. And then this has a different kind of setup for the bathroom. The shower is actually in this other room. Here you have the vanity toilet. So this is sort of like a half bath in here. And then in this other room, which is sort of like a bonus room, she's using it as sort of a office craft room. This is where you have the shower. And again, this room could be used for storage or another kind of room. Actually pretty decent size. I think there's a weird line across there there's a light out in the kitchen. One of the lights out there in the kitchen, overhead light. Here's another look at the living room. And that concludes the video of 582 Hammond Street, apartment number 1, first floor apartment. Rent includes everything except electric. Hot water is included, so the electric bill would be rather small. It does come with a parking space for an extra $50 a month. If you're interested, visit us at rentbangor.com or call 207-974-6606.